Two heavyweights of email marketing go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, ConvertKit, built for creators who crave email simplicity. And on the right, Klaviyo, powering explosive growth for e-commerce brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. So before we get all geeky, here's a quick roadmap of what I'm comparing. Pricing, automation features, segmentation and personalization, email templates and editors, integrations, ease of use, analytics and reporting, and last but not least, who these platforms are actually best for. Got it? Cool. Let's roll.
All right, first up, pricing. Now, ConvertKit honestly gives you a pretty generous free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is really nice if you're just starting out. As your list grows, it's still pretty transparent and won't totally break the bank. Downside, that free plan is kinda basic, so don't expect every powerhouse feature. Now, with Klaviyo, Klaviyo swings in with a pretty feature-packed free tier and some monster enterprise-level scalability. But here's the thing. If you've got a growing contact list, the cost kinda shoots up. And for e-commerce folks, average monthly bills tend to be a bit steeper. So yeah, price-wise, ConvertKit takes the win here.
Moving on, let's talk automation. ConvertKit keeps it simple with an easy visual builder that's perfect for drip sequences, tagging, and all those creator-y workflows. But if you want super fancy branching logic, it's kind of limited. Klaviyo, on the other hand, is like the automation boss. Multi-step flows, behavioral triggers, predictive stuff, and you even get SMS mixed with your email. Downside, it's not exactly plug and play. You'll probably spend extra time setting things up, especially if you're a beginner. So when it comes to pure automation muscle, Klaviyo wins.
Segmentation and personalization. All right, ConvertKit uses a tag-based system, so you can split your list based on interests or how engaged people are, which honestly works well for creators. But compared to Klaviyo, it's a little basic. Klaviyo is all about deep behavioral segmentation. Think purchases, browsing habits, lifecycle stages, dynamic stuff like product recommendations. Personalization gets a major upgrade here, but let's be real, it's probably overkill if you're not a store or focused on selling products. Still, in this category, Klaviyo crushes it.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Klaviyo users send more than 50 billion emails every month? Like, that's powering billions in e-commerce sales. Absolutely wild.
Let's look at email templates and editing. ConvertKit keeps things clean and super minimal, which is awesome if you hate clutter. It's super easy to use, but customizing, yeah, there aren't tons of options. So if you want to go wild with your design, it's not really the place. Klaviyo, though, gives you a buffet. Tons of pro-grade e-commerce templates, drag and drop, HTML, text-only editors, the whole works. Thing is, it's almost overwhelming if you're fresh to the platform. Still, for template variety and power, Klaviyo comes out on top. Okay, integrations. ConvertKit, surprisingly, has over 320, mostly focused on website builders and creator tools, making it a breeze for non-techie folks. Not so great news if you crave deep e-commerce integrations, though. It's kind of shallow there. Now, Klaviyo rolls out 325 plus integrations, and wow, it gets super deep with stuff like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, basically e-commerce heaven. No big downsides here, so Klaviyo's the winner again. All right, ease of use. ConvertKit is a breath of fresh air. Super beginner-friendly, minimalist interface, and honestly, you can get up and running in like minutes. If you hate complicated dashboards, this is the one. On the flip side, Klaviyo's got comprehensive guides, and once you master it, it's crazy flexible. But getting to that point, yeah, there's a pretty steep learning curve, especially if you're not technical. ConvertKit definitely takes this round. Let's talk analytics and reporting. ConvertKit does the basics. Open rates, clicks, unsubscribes, just the essentials you need. Not much depth, and sales tracking is kind of minimal. But Klaviyo goes all out. Detailed conversion tracking, customer journeys, even revenue impact metrics. I mean, sometimes it's almost too much info if you just want simple stats. But for data nerds and e-commerce, it's awesome. Klaviyo wins analytics. No contest.
Who are these platforms actually best for?
ConvertKit, dream setup for bloggers, YouTubers, solopreneurs.
Maybe someone running courses or just building an audience, not rushing to sell products. Klaviyo. This is built for e-commerce brands, online retailers, anyone scaling up in direct-to-consumer. So yeah, it's a tie here, since they're best for totally different crowds. So looking at the whole chart, Klaviyo totally dominates when it comes to automation, segmentation, integrations, reporting, and templates. Just a powerhouse if you're running a store or want super granular features. ConvertKit, though, solid in pricing and ease of use, and just wins hands down if you're a creator or starting out and need simplicity. So at the end of the day, here's my honest take. Pick ConvertKit if you're all about straightforward list building and engagement, like bloggers and creators, and want stress-free setup. But if you run an e-commerce brand and love digging into data, automation, and integrations, Klaviyo is the one to beat. Enjoyed that comparison? If you want more honest breakdowns and SaaS smackdowns, make sure to follow for the next review.